Simba and I have been trekking right along, and we're in West Virginia now. We're going over to the Babcock State Park, where there's the Island in the Sky Trail, which sounds pretty cool. So we're heading there now, and we'll see you when we get there. Simba and I are here at the trailhead. We're about to head on in and check it out. It's a really short trail, I think like 0.7 miles, but we need to stretch our legs. We've been driving all day. So sit back, relax, enjoy the tour, and we'll see you on the other side. And the bark means that we're at the end of the line, which also means that it's biscuit time. Are you ready for a biscuit, Simba? Say, damn right I'm ready for a biscuit. Good job, buddy. We hope that you enjoyed our tour. Be sure to like and subscribe. And remember, your support goes directly to Simba's Hikes for Biscuits Fund, where your likes can turn into big, big biscuits for Simba. We'll see you next time, travelers.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on Paws and Wheels.